This is mind-blowing. The latest iPhone 14 Pro Max Apple A16 chip benchmark has shocked everyone. This is the most ridiculous performance on any smartphone chip out there. For the first time in the history of smartphones, we have a smartphone chip that is beating some of the laptops out there with this incredible score. The iPhone 14 Pro series are officially the first devices in the world to score 5000 beyond multi-core with Geekbench 5. This has never been done before. The gap between Apple and Android manufacturers grows far more than initially expected. Now, just so you know, Apple A16 wasn't supposed to be a huge upgrade over the Apple A15, but looking at these scores, Apple still decided to push themselves to a whole new level. Once again, this performance is only exclusive to the iPhone 14 Pro and the 14 Pro Max, while you get the Apple A15 with the iPhone 14 and the iPhone 14 Plus. Let's see what Qualcomm does with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 on the Galaxy S23 Ultra next year. Do you think Qualcomm has any chance of competing against Apple at this level? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Now, speaking of Samsung, the trolling continues. There's some new tweets from Samsung Mobile US Twitter account where they're trolling Apple since it cannot fold like the Galaxy Z Flip 4. While I totally get Samsung's Z Flip 4 trolling of Apple, I'm not so sure about this one. Samsung apparently bought a billboard that shows "Welcome to the party, Apple. We've been filming in 8K for 2 years, 6 months, 4 days, 28 minutes, and 51 seconds. We all know that 8K on smartphones is a big gimmick, so I'm not so sure about this dig. Apple famously has the best video performance in the industry. The iPhone 13 Pro series and the iPhone 14 Pro series are the only phones in the world that can actually shoot video in ProRes. That is actually better than having 8K video. Samsung missed the mark with this one, but they have so much other digs to take, like iPhone having 60Hz resolution with the iPhone 14 and the 14 Plus, and of course having that notch design as well in 2022. There's so many jabs that Samsung can make, so again, 8K is not it. Now, Samsung is not the only one that is trolling Apple for their recent launch. Apparently, Steve Jobs' daughter posted this classic iPhone meme on her Instagram story, trolling Apple for not improving anything with the iPhone 14's design. I'm pretty sure Apple and everyone else did not expect Steve Jobs of all people to post this meme and troll the iPhone 14 series. The iPhone 14 series goes on pre-order officially worldwide today. It's a big day indeed. Let me know what you think about the new benchmark score of the iPhone 14 Pro lineup, with the Apple A16 setting a new level in the industry that is far above compared to the Android manufacturers. I really hope Qualcomm and Samsung brings their best with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 on the S23 Ultra. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.